ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पुरुषविद ब्राह्मण पेज नंबर 170. In the third mantra, it was said in Bhashya that Prajapati, who created Manu and Shatarupa in the form of the Spinda, because Prajapati is creator of Shatarupa, he is the father, and she is the daughter, and still he approached her in the form of Manu as Patni. So Duhitaram Patnitvena Kalpitam Samabhavan Maithunam Upagatavan. On that, now there is the beginning. In the mantra you see, fourth mantra, So heyam ikshan chakre कथन्नुमा आत्मन एव जनयित्वा संभवति हंत तिरो असानीति सा गौरभवत् वृषभ इतरस ताम समे वाभवत् ततो गावो अजायन्त वडवा इतरा अभवत् अश्ववृष इतरो गर्दभी इतरा गर्दभ इतरस तां समेवा भवत् तत एकशफम अजायत अज इतरा अभवत् वसस्त इतरो अवि इतरा मेष इतरस तां समेवा भवत् ततो अजा अवयो अजायन्त एवमेव यदिदं किंच मिथुनम आपिपीलिकाभ्यस्तत्सर्वम् असृजत. हिंदी मंत्र. सो हेयम ईक्षान चक्रे. So means who? Why Shatarupa is called so? Strilinga.
Sa-u.
Sa-u. Sa-u is so. Sa-u means Sa Shatarupa. U indeed she did Ikshanam in this way. Ikshan Chakre. What is that? she started thinking. What did she think? That माम कथं नु माम आत्मनः एव जनयित्वा संभवती, having created me from him, he should be like my father. How is he getting united with me? How is he doing my bhoga? So I will hide myself. Hanta tiro asani iti. Tiraha means tiro bhava. So I will hide myself. Asani, asava, asam. In this one. Sa gauhu abhavat. She became cow. So then Shatarupa became cow. Manu became Vrishabha. He became bull. Rishabha. Sorry, not Vrishabha. Rishabha. Itaraha Rishabha. Vrishabha Shabda is also used for Rishabha or bull. Purush. No, that is Rishabha. Itarastang sama sameva bhavat. So with that cow, this Rishabha bull got united. Tato gavo ajayanta. From that, all the cows were produced. Sam eva abhavat. So sameva bhavat, when it is said, sambhavat. That sambhavat will go together. Eva is separate. Upasarga will go with kriyapada. Gavo ajayanta. Vadava itara abhavat. Ashwavrisha itaro. She became Vadava. Vadava. Vadava means a female horse. So he became a male horse, Ashwavrisha. And again, they mated, and then all the animals of horse species were born. Gardabhi Itara, she became a female donkey. Gardava Itaraha, he became male donkey and produced. Tam Sameva Bhavat, means Tam Eva Samabhavat. Tata Ekashafam Ajayata. All the one-hoofed animals. So three varieties: horse, donkey, and khachar. The in-between one, khachar, I don't know what they call in English. Mule. Mule. Everything was born. Ekashafam ajayata. Aja itara. She became the female goat. Abhavat. Vastaha. Actually, it is ba. Vastaha. But in our va, maybe it is, in book it is va. Here we have given ba in English. Pavayo abhedaha. Vasta shabda is there? Vasta. Okay. Here there is Bhavayo abheda. So Vasta itaro. Avi itara. She became female sheep. Female sheep. He became male sheep. Mesha. Mesha itaraha. Tam sameva bhavat. And again they did the union. Tato aja avayo ajayanta. From that, all the goats and sheep and all of them were produced. Evameva yadidam kencha. In that, or whichever way, whatever is there, mithunam apipilika tat sarvam asrajata. Apipilika apipilika. Pipilika should be included or not? Included. What is the sutra? This I gave just one few classes back. A upasarga is used in two meanings. What are the two? Maryada, Abhividhi. So the sutra is Ang Maryada Vachane. That is the sutra. Ang Maryada Vachane. Ang Maryada Vachane. What is the number?
1489.
1489. Recently, where did it come? In Naishkarmya Siddhi. A Brahmastamba Paryantaihi Sarva Pranivihi. In that. Okay. See. Bhashya. Sa Shatarupo means Sa Shatarupa U Heyam Seyam Duhitru Gamane Smartam Pratishedham Anusmaranti Ikshan Chakre. That's Shatarupa remembered Smarta Pratishedha. In Smriti, there is a Pratishedha for Duhitru Gamanam. Putri and Pita, they cannot do union. Now, Smriti is actually very strict. You see what is written in Tika. Na sagotrang samana pravaram bharyam vindeta iti ityadikam iti yavat. Sagotra, samana gotra and samana pravara bharya one should not have. Means in Khandan, I think, or in Advaita Siddhi, I think it comes. This priest is doing puja. Puja is about to start, and the gotra of the son-in-law is not known to father-in-law. So in between, father-in-law is asking son-in-law, what is your gotra? So he said, same gotra. Saman gotra vivaha is not possible. So here, sagotram bharyam na vindeta. Ityadikam iti yavat. Akrityam hi idam yad duhitru gamanam. This is duhitru gamanam is akrityam. This is objectionable. You see now, matrutascha apanchamat atma purushat. Apanchama atma purushat. Pitrutascha, tha is missing. Pitrutascha asaptamat iti smritehe. Page 170, Tika, last line. यद्दुहितृ गमनम मातृतश्च आपंचमात् पुरुषात् पितृतश्च त इज मिसिंग पितृतश्च अच्छा आपंचम आत्म पुरुषात् in on the mother side 5 generation 5 पीढ़ी and father side 7 generations. Anybody is connected as daughter that so 5 generations you go up and come down and somebody becomes your cousin as a daughter or sister. That marriage is not possible up to 5 generations. On father's side, 7 generations. So fathers is said that you go up and then you come down and somebody happens to be your cousin. Less than 7 generation, she is sister. You can't have marriage. This is the Smriti. In South, Sagotra Vivaha in 1 generation they allow. Means not Sagotra, Matru Gotra, 1 generation they allow. South means not all South, some part of South. I think in Tamil or in Kerala in particular. Katham Bhashya. Kathanu idam akritya yanma mam atmana eva janayitva utpadya sambhavati upagachati. How having created me, he is doing this, approaching me and doing union with me. Tika Tayoho जात्यंतर गमनम कथम इत्याशंक्या. Why Manu and Shatrupa became of different jati? Different jati means within different species of animals, etc. Why did they do that? That is given. Yadyapi ayam nirghrano aham hanta idanim tirosani jatyantarena tiraskrita bhavani. Even though he is shameless, nirgranaha, nirlajjaha, 1 number tippani. So I will, she says, I will hide myself and I will become in different jati. Jatyantarena tiraskrita bhavani. Iti evam ikshitva asau gauhu abhavat. So she became a cow. Tika. Shatarupayam go bhavam apannayam ऋषभादि भावो मनोर भवतु मनोहो भवतु तावता यथोक्त दोष परिहारस तयोर वडवादि भावे तु न कारणमस्ति इत्याशंका. Okay, so Shatrupa felt that this is not right, so she became a cow. He became Rishabha. Now there is no question of the Duhitara and Sambhavanam, etc. So now what is the use of becoming female horse and male horse and female donkey and male donkey, etc.? Why did they become like this? उत्पाद्य प्राणी कर्म भी चोद्यमानायाः पुनः पुनः सैव मतिः शतरूपाया मनुष्य अभवत्. Because those jivas, their karmas were there. Their karmas were ready to give fruits. So now this Manu and Shatrupa, their buddhi was constantly becoming like this, so that they were constantly changing forms, producing so many species, so that all those other jivas can take birth. Utpadya prani karma bhihi chodyamanaya matihi. This mati was prompted by the karmas of the jivas who are going to be produced now. Their karmas are ready, so that those karmas were giving such thoughts to Manu Shatrupa. Now you become horse, now you become donkey, now you become next, so that all varieties of species were produced. ततस्तस्या गो भावात अनंतरम इति यावत्. ततः, ततः means thereafter. After go bhava, rishabha itarah. He became rishabha, bull. टीका. गवां जन्मार्थं मिथः संभवनम ततः शब्दार्थः. So in Bhashya now it is given tam samayva bhavat ityadi purvavat. So then again they united. Tataha, thereafter. Thereafter means after the cows were produced, gavam janmartham mithaha sambhavanam tataha shabdartha. So from them came this, from the union of that cow and Rishabha came all the other cows. Tato gavo ajayanta. तत्र तेषाम उत्पत्तौ सत्याम इति यावत्. तत्र मीन्स तेषाम उत्पत्तौ सत्याम वडव अश्व वृषादीनां संगमात् तत एकशफम एकखुरम अश्व अश्वतर गर्दभाख्यम त्रयम अजायत. From their union of this Vadava Ashwa Vrishadinam, Vadava Ashwa Vrisha, from their Sangama in different ways, Eka Shabham, Eka Khuram, all the animals with one Shapha, one hoof. Ashwa means horse, Ashwatara means mule, Gardava, donkey, Gardavakyam, Trayam Ajayata, all three were produced. And all their varieties also. In Ashwa, there are so many varieties. Like cows also, we have so many varieties. Tam eva abhinayati. No. Tatra tesham utpatto sanya. Vakya dvaye vipsa vivakshita ityaha. In Bhashya first. Tatha aja itara abhavat. Vastas chaga itara. She became aja. Aja itara. Shatarupa became aja. Vastaha means chaga. Chaga means a goat, male goat. He became a male goat. Itara. तथा अविहि इतरा मेषः इतरः. She became avi, sheep, female sheep. He became male sheep. ताम सम एव अभवत. ताम समेव अभवत. So you should understand tam tam iti vipsa. That with each respective one they did union and they produced their species. Vakya dvaye vipsa vivakshita itya. Tam means in all these vakyas, vipsa. Vipsa means repetition. Multiple times, not once or twice. As many times they went on. Tam eva abhinayati. Tam eva, what is tam eva abhinayati?
प्रजापति.
Hmm?
प्रजापति.
What is tam? In tika tam eva abhinayati. Tam means vipsam. Tam vipsam abhinayati. Tam tam iti vipsa. Tam ajam, tam avim cha. In this way, iti samabhavat eva ityartha. ताम वडवाम in टीका. ताम वडवाम, ताम गर्दभीम च इति अपि द्रष्टव्य. So this mule and donkey, all of that, and aja, avi, all of them they produced. Tato Ajascha, avayascha, ajavayavo, ajayanta. From that, aja, avi, all of them were produced. Tika. So if you see Purusha Suktam, you know in Purusha Suktam,
तस्मात्
this portion is there.
अश्वा जायन्ता एके चोभयाददः गावो अजन्गिरे
So the Gavo, Tasmad, Aja, Ajavayanta. So all of them, they are produced. They are all given. The Veda part is given later. Earlier we saw Prana Upasana, the Veda portion. Now some other portion is also there. So in different ways, here it is explained. Tika. Tato mithaha sambhavanat yathoktat iti yavat. So from there, mutual sambhavanam, paraspara sambhavanam, from that all of them are born. Yathoktat, as what is given here. Visheshana, Visheshanam anantyat pratyekam upadesha sambhavam manvanah संक्षिप्य उपसंहरति. Visheshanam anantyat. There are infinite Visheshana because there are infinite varieties. So how many things you will go on? She became this, he became that, she became female this, he became female this. It will just go on. So upasamhara is done. Upadesha is not possible. Evam eva yadidam kincha yadkincha idam mithunam स्त्री पुंस लक्षणम द्वंद्वम आपिपीलिकाभ्यः पीलीलिकाभिः there it is given पीलीलिकाभिः it should be पिपीलिकाभिः PP not पीली in भाष्य पिपीलिकाभिः सह आपिपीलिकाभिः is given so because of ang maryada vachane maryada means not including abhividhi means including so here including pipilika up to ants what we see in our rooms etc and all the other varieties spider mosquito whatever you name all of them are part of that same hiranyagarbha pipilika bhi saha anena eva nyayena by this nyaya anena eva nyayena what is the nyaya that is given in tika न्यायेन तत्सर्वम असृजत जगत सृष्टवान तद विभजते इदम मिथुनम इति इदम मिथुनम यदिदं किंच यद किंच idam mithunam this whatever is there in the form of a couple what is the nyaya pashu karma prayoga nyaya pashu karma prayoga means this union of male and female that nyaya is tikakar says it is called pashu karma prayoga nyaya so somebody says but manushya also does that you see that is also called pashu karma only with this fourth mantra is complete fifth mantra over om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।